Awning window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With custom awning windows Knoxville, you can enjoy improved ventilation and natural light while maintaining privacy. Our Knoxville window installation services ensure a seamless fit and finish, providing both beauty and durability. Choosing Awning windows Knoxville also adds a stylish, practical touch to any home. Energy-efficient windows Knoxville are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can significantly lower your utility bills and increase your home's value. Our Knoxville window energy efficiency solutions are designed to meet the highest standards, ensuring optimal performance and savings. Pairing them with Awning windows Knoxville enhances airflow and complements your home's energy-saving design. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Knoxville window frame installation services offer expert solutions to address any damage or wear, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. With our residential window services Knoxville, you can trust that your home is in good hands. Incorporating Awning windows Knoxville in your upgrade ensures added ventilation and modern appeal. Custom window solutions are available to meet the unique needs of your home. Whether you're looking for specific styles or materials, our Knoxville window style options provide a wide range of choices to suit your preferences. Our window design consultation services help you select the perfect windows for your home. Many homeowners choose Awning windows Knoxville for their sleek design and functional versatility. Home window upgrades can transform the look and feel of your property. Our Knoxville home window upgrades offer a variety of options, from vinyl window replacement to window trim replacement, ensuring your home looks its best. With our expert guidance, you can achieve the perfect balance of style and functionality. Upgrading to Awning windows Knoxville enhances your home's charm and energy efficiency. Window glass installation is essential for maintaining the clarity and performance of your windows. Our Knoxville window glass replacement services provide quick and efficient solutions for any glass damage, ensuring your windows remain clear and secure. Trust our experts for all your window glass installation needs. Combine these with Awning windows Knoxville to achieve maximum brightness and ventilation in your home. Double-pane windows Knoxville offer superior insulation and noise reduction, making them an excellent choice for any home. Our Knoxville window insulation services ensure your double-pane windows are installed correctly, providing maximum energy savings and comfort. Experience the benefits of double-pane windows with our expert installation and consider Awning windows Knoxville for complementary airflow and efficiency. Window seal replacement is necessary to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Our Knoxville window leak solutions address any seal issues, ensuring your windows remain airtight and energy efficient. With our window maintenance services, you can keep your windows in top condition year-round. Choosing Awning windows Knoxville during replacements can further enhance ventilation and reduce condensation. Window hardware services are essential for maintaining the functionality of your windows. Our Knoxville residential window experts provide comprehensive hardware solutions, from installations to replacements, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. Trust our team for all your window hardware needs. We also specialize in the installation of Awning windows Knoxville to improve both convenience and design. Window screen installation is a simple yet effective way to enhance your home's comfort and security. Our vinyl window services Knoxville include expert screen installation, providing protection from insects and debris while allowing fresh air to circulate. Enjoy the benefits of window screens with our professional services and pair them with Awning windows Knoxville for effortless airflow. Vinyl window replacement is a cost-effective option for improving your home's energy efficiency and appearance. Our Knoxville window installation warranty ensures your new vinyl windows are installed to the highest standards, providing long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Choose vinyl windows for a durable and attractive solution, or opt for Awning Windows Knoxville to add modern elegance and flexibility. Awning window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With custom Awning Windows Knoxville, you can enjoy improved ventilation and natural light while maintaining privacy. Our Knoxville window installation services ensure a seamless fit and finish, providing long-lasting performance and style. When you choose Awning Windows Knoxville, you invest in comfort and sophistication. Energy-efficient windows Knoxville are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. By choosing double-pane windows Knoxville, you can significantly enhance your home's insulation and reduce noise pollution. Our Knoxville window energy efficiency solutions are designed to meet the unique needs of your property, ensuring maximum savings and comfort. Integrating Awning Windows Knoxville into your design plan can further optimize airflow and light control. For those in need of window frame replacement, our Knoxville window frame installation services offer durable and stylish options. Whether you're looking for vinyl window replacement or custom window solutions, our Knoxville residential window experts are here to help. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services to keep your windows in top condition year-round. Adding Awning Windows Knoxville to your project brings beauty and practicality together. Window glass installation and window seal replacement are crucial for maintaining the integrity of your windows. Our Knoxville window glass replacement services ensure that your windows remain secure and energy efficient. With our window leak installation and window weatherproofing solutions, you can protect your home from the elements and prevent costly damage. Upgrade with Awning Windows Knoxville to boost performance and design consistency. Enhance your home's security with our window security features and window installation warranty. Our Knoxville window security solutions provide peace of mind, knowing that your home is protected. We also offer window UV protection to safeguard your interiors from harmful sun exposure, preserving your furnishings and reducing glare. Complement these features with Awning Windows Knoxville for superior functionality and visual appeal. Our window design consultation and window style options in Knoxville allow you to customize your windows to match your home's architecture and personal taste. From window trim replacement to window sash installation, our Knoxville window trim services ensure a perfect fit and finish. Trust our Knoxville home window upgrades to transform your living space with style and efficiency, featuring Awning Windows Knoxville for elegance and practicality. Window noise reduction Knoxville is a key consideration for homeowners seeking a peaceful environment. Our window insulation improvement services help minimize external noise, creating a serene atmosphere inside your home. With our window measurement services, you can be confident in the accuracy and precision of your window installations. Enhance tranquility further with Awning Windows Knoxville, designed for both function and comfort. For those looking to enhance their home's curb appeal, our window screen installation and window hardware services offer practical and stylish solutions. Our Knoxville window style options include a variety of designs and finishes to suit any home. With our Knoxville window weatherproofing and window maintenance Knoxville services, you can ensure your windows remain in excellent condition for years to come. Incorporating Awning Windows Knoxville adds both beauty and improved airflow. Choose our Knoxville window installation warranty for peace of mind and quality assurance. Our Knoxville residential window experts are dedicated to providing exceptional service and craftsmanship. Whether you need Awning window replacement Knoxville or vinyl window services Knoxville, we're your trusted partner for all your window needs. Rely on Awning Windows Knoxville for a perfect blend of design and efficiency.